Hey, welcome back. We are on session 4 of lesson 27, refining our counting teen numbers. Now, yesterday's lesson, I realized that the webcam didn't show up, so you're probably wondering what I was talking about with the numbers. Today, I have our numbers so that you can see them, and we're going to be working with one more. We're going to begin today with a warm-up, however, with something that looks like yesterday's work. And today, the warm up shows a group of fairy tale stories. It looks like it might be Cinderella with the pumpkin coach. And they've circled a group of numbers without counting. How many books do you think are in that circle? There's probably 10, right? Because we circled groups of 10 yesterday and counted how many extra. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 books, and there's also some extra. So I want you to figure out what number those books are showing by circling a group of 10 and 3 extra. Did you say this number here? Well, that depends. What number is that? I've got a 1 from the group of 10 and 3 from the 3 extras. That's number 13. All right, good job, guys. So we started working with one more long time ago. Okay, so if I have the number 4, what is one more than 4? Well, that means I have to add one more. So now instead of 4, I have 5. Okay, if I say what is one more than 6, that means I have to put up one more finger, and now I have 7. Okay, I'm going to get harder now. So what if I have 9 fingers up, all 9 fingers, but I want one more to see how many fingers I have all together? Put one more up, and now I have 10. We're going to be working with that concept today with our teen numbers. So I'm going to show you 3 different numbers because, again, just like yesterday, there are 3 spaces to write. And as we are building our numbers, our teen numbers, we're going to be just finding out one more at the same time. We're going to use 2 skills today. First, making teen numbers, and then finding the teen number that is one more. Okay, so get your cubes ready and your page ready. And we're going to start by building this number. What is this number? It's made with a 1 and a 2. That is the number 12. Okay, so if you said 12, you've got it. Let's begin by building a group of 10 with your cubes. Start with those yellows. 1, woo, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving on to your reds. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's our group of 10. This will never change. As long as we're working with our cubes this way, your group of 10 will stay the same. It's the extras that will change the value of a teen number. Now remember, we said we're going to do a 12, a group of 12. So I have my 110, one group of 10, but now I need to show 2 extras. So using your green cubes, let's begin by showing 2 extra. Now this should look pretty familiar to what we did yesterday, but remember I said today we're talking about one more. So let's add one more. That should be very easy. You just take another green cube and go, boop, there he is. So now instead of 2 extra, you have 3 extra. Oh, okay. So let's write what 1 more than 12 is. What number do we start with all of our teen numbers? This is the pattern. That's right, we have to start with a 1. There will always, 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 always be a 1 at the beginning of all teen numbers. That 1 means 1 group of 10. Very good. The next number in a teen number is the extras. How many extras do we have now? We have 3. Now, if you remember from our warm-up, what number are we showing here? That's right, that's a 13. So 13 is 1 more than 12. Awesome. Okay, I want you to build this number. This is a number 14. Well, we already have 13, so let's keep going. Now we have 14. Means we have a group of 10 and 4 extras. Are we done? Okay, yes, we're done building 14, but what are we making today? What are we learning? We're learning 1 more. So if we add 1 more to our 14, now we have used all of our green cubes. So we had 5 green cubes. Okay, so let's see what this number looks like. 1 group of 10 and our 5 extra green cubes. What is that number? What is 1 more than 14? Well, it's the next number when you count, 15. Okay, so 1 more than 4 is 5. So 1 more than 14 is 15. Excellent. All right, we have 1 more to go. 1 more. Bear with me. We're going to start with this number here. This is the number 17. All right, we have 5. We want 7 extras. 7 extras. Get your purple cubes ready. So let's keep counting. We're at 5. So what comes after 5? Right, 6 and 7. So now we're showing all together 17. We have a group of 10, 1 group of 10. And how many extras? What do we have? Oh, but you know what? You caught me. Miss Torres, we're not writing number 17. We have to build 1 more. All right, so kindergarten, we have to build 1 more. Get your 1 more cube and put it in there to see what number we need to write. We still have our group of 10. That didn't change, but guess what? The extras changed. So how many do we have? What is 1 more? Ooh, let me back up a bit. There we go. 1 more than 7. Boop. 8. So it's an 8 that we need to write. Now, what number does that show? It's all right, that's 18. Excellent job, excellent. Okay, so let's take a look at the back side of your page. This looks a little different, okay? So now instead of tens frames, you have some empty pictures and some numbers. They want you to trace some numbers because we're going to do exactly what we just did with our cubes, but now we're going to color. Now, I'm going to be using red for all of these. You can use whatever color you want. You don't have to do the red. You can pick your favorite color if you want. I'm just going to use red because you can see it really well on the computer. So it says first we want to trace the number 15. I know that's a 15 because it has a 1 and a 5. Now color 15 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not done. That's my group of 10. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! All right, I colored 15, but what is this blank over here for? Miss Torres, really? You know we're doing 1 more, so that means we need to get 1 more. I'm going to get a second color to show 1 more. And I'm going to use blue because it looks so nice with my red. So if I have 1 more than 15, what number do I have? That's right, I have 16. Now let's take a look at these two numbers side by side. Okay, 15 is made of a 1 and a 5. 1 more than 15 is 16, made up of a 1 and a 6. That 1 doesn't change. That group of 10 will always be there in a teen number. But 1 more than 5 is 6. That value will change. Let's take a look at this next one. Trace this number here, and I want you to say out loud, well, if I could trace it, that'd be helpful for you, I'm sure. I want you to say this number out loud. Did you say 14? You got it. Excellent. Okay. So that means we need to color in 14 circles. Again, I'm going to use my red just so you can see my 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But I need to use my blue now because I'm going to show you one more. There's still some circles here. Do I need to color those in? No, I don't need to color them because I'm only showing one more. I don't need to show everything that's there. Those I'm going to leave alone. Don't even touch them. I just want to know what one more than 14 is. So let's write. Is the 1 going to change? No, it's not going to change. 1 more than 14 still has the 1, but what is 1 more than 4? If I have 4 fingers and I want 1 more, now I have 5. 1 more than 14 is 5. Excellent. Let's try this on the bottom here. Trace this number and say it out loud when you know it. All right, good job. That's 17. So now we're going to fill in these squares. These look like 10 frames, so if you want to put the dots in them, that's fine. I'm going to color the entire box just because that's easier on my end. But I'm going to color in 17 red boxes in the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Done. Colored my 17, but I need to find one more. Good job. One more. Again, there's extras. Do I need to color those extras? No, we're only looking for one more today. All right, let's write what the number that is 1 more than 17 is. Now I know that there's still only one group of 10, but now my extras have changed. What is 1 more than 7? Excellent. 1 more than 7 is 8. So now 1 more than 17 is 18. Awesome job. Awesome, guys. This is a hard concept, okay? So if you need to pause this video, back it up, try again, let me know. If you need anything else from me, just work through this as slowly as you need to because this is difficult to understand at times, okay? So next, next, we're going to look at the next page that has, guess what, guys? The exact same things, okay? I'm going to do the first example with you, but then the other two I would like for you to try on your own. And then on the back, they've got some nice pictures of the fish, the bubbles, and the snails. I do want you to try these on your own. I will do the example problem with you on this page, but after that, I believe you can give it a try and let me know if you have any questions following that, okay? So let's take a look. We have this number. Trace it. Say it out loud. It's made up of a 1 and a 2, one group of 10 and 2 extras. That's right, that's the number 12. Okay, so you can see where they started to color in 12 dots and an extra one. I'm going to color over them so that you can see the colors better, okay? So let's color in 12 of these dots. You can already see on your page where they've started, okay? There's 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. Fill in one more, and then you're going to trace this number. It's showing you what 1 more than 12 is. That's right, that's number 13. We know it's a 13 because now it's got one group of 10 and 3 extras. Here's our group of 10 and 3 extras. 13 is 1 more than 12. 1 more than 12 is 13. All right, so good luck. I would like you to trace the numbers, color in. Don't forget the 1 more. It's very important. Don't come over here and write 18 again. Don't come over here on the next one and only write 10 again. Make sure you're doing one more, okay? Again, if you need me for anything, you know how to find me, and I will see you in the next video.